Say goodbye to belly fat, top 5 exercises for women. We're about to catapult you into a realm where fitness and healthy living are paramount. Our mission for today is to help you shed that stubborn belly fat. And to do so, we've curated a list of 5 effective exercises specifically designed for women. But wait, there's more. We'll also highlight the advantages of complementing your routine with dietary supplements. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready for a lifestyle revolution. Stay with us to uncover the exercises that can be game changers in your battle against belly fat. First, we introduce you to planks, a simple but effective exercise. Start by placing your forearms on the floor, elbows below the shoulders, and extend your legs behind you. Keep your body straight and hold this position. Planks are a powerhouse for strengthening your core muscles, which includes the abdomen. This strength translates into a toned and trimmed belly. Consistent practice of planks can help you say goodbye to belly fat in no time. Remember, consistency is the key to seeing results with planks. Next up, bicycle crunches, a fun way to tone your tummy. To perform them, lie on your back, bring your knees to your chest, and pedal in the air like you're on a bike. Remember to keep your lower back pressed to the ground and rotate your torso, not just your elbows. This exercise is great for targeting your obliques and lower abs, helping to reduce belly fat. So let's get those legs pedaling. Bicycle crunches are not just fun, but they also work wonders on your waistline. Now let's dive into Russian twists, mountain climbers, and burpees. Russian twists are a fantastic exercise to target your obliques. Start by sitting on the ground with your knees bent, pull your abs to your spine, and lean back a few inches while keeping your back straight. Now twist your torso to the right, then to the left to complete 1 rep. Next up, mountain climbers. Begin in a high plank position, then pull your right knee into your chest as far as you can. Switch legs, pulling one knee out and bringing the other knee in. Finally, we have burpees. Start in a standing position, drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank position, lower your chest to the floor, push up into a plank, jump your feet in, and explosively jump into the air, reaching your arms straight above you. These exercises combined provide a great full-body workout while focusing on reducing belly fat. Now, let's talk about the benefits of dietary supplements in your journey. These power-packed products can supercharge your workouts, promoting effective fat burn and bolstering overall health. They can fill in any nutritional gaps, ensuring your body has what it needs to function at its best. But let's be clear, supplements are your allies, not your saviors. Remember, dietary supplements are a powerful tool to support your workout and dietary regimen, but they're not a magic pill. It's the combination of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and the right supplements that will help you say goodbye to belly fat for good.